The next Google Sites tutorial is adding site pages. Once you have created your initial site, you're going to come over here and click the Pages button. Down here at the bottom is your new page, and you can add whatever information you would like. And click Create. Over here is where you can edit it if you do not like it, if you want more of the same page. If you want to add a subpage, you can do that as well. So underneath it, my class information page, I have a calendar. Then I also want to add some of the things that we do in my class. So I have a pre-algebra class, and see how I accidentally made that a subpage. I can just very simply delete that. Go back to home, and add my pages. Once you have added all of the pages that you want, you can always click and reorder them however you see fit, and it automatically changes them over here. When you are editing, you can either edit from here and add pages, or you can move from page to page over here on this website bar. So now it's time to create your pages.